1. A man of status. Ladies need to be wanted by an influential man. In case you're seen to be of higher status around the individuals you connect with, you hold the supernatural capacity to draw in interminable ladies into your life. Status is controlled by two things: how you present yourself and how you carry on around ladies. Albeit a few elements, hereditary, cosmetics and riches, are to some degree out of our control, there are numerous little changes you can make to seem like a man of status. Stay in shape, hit the exercise center, eat healthy, and investing wholeheartedly in what you wear. On the off chance that you need to draw in high-worth ladies, begin dressing like a high-worth man. You don't need to wear architect marks and blaze a Rolex to dress well. Simply start by dressing more like a man than a kid. Like James Bond or Damon Salvatore in the Vampire Diaries, as opposed to Harold Wolowitz from The Big Bang Theory. As far as how you carry on around ladies, your status is controlled by your degree of certainty. 2. Certainty. With regards to fascination, certainty is everything. It resembles catnip to ladies. In case you're a man who follows what he needs, is a pioneer of individuals, and has a higher impression of himself over others, ladies will discover you appealing. Rather than the person who's stressed over making a move, follows the group, and worships ladies when he converses with them. On the off chance that certainty is something you battle with, here are a couple of tips to become normally sure. Expect each young lady is keen on you. Don't be embarrassed to communicate your sexual want. Spotlight on prodding a young lady as opposed to praising her constantly. Loosen up your body pose. Keep your jaw up and make moderate, non-jerky developments when signaling and turning your head. When conversing with a young lady, pose inquiries to make her qualify herself to you. For example, give me one valid justification I should get you a beverage. 3. Self-esteem. Pulling in ladies isn't tied in with seeming appealing, it's tied in with being alluring from inside, and communicating your positive characteristics to the ladies you interface with. You can comprehend why self-hatred folks battle to get lady friends. In the event that you play the person in question and hold an antagonistic view on everything, ladies will repulse you. Figure out how to cherish yourself first before you can adore another person. Think, would I date me? The more you contribute and love yourself, the more alluring you'll be according to ladies. What's more, with this, you'll discover ladies come into your life normally as a result to the entirety of this. To turn out to be progressively alluring inside, invest heavily in your appearance, and spotlight on seeking after your interests. Be bold, take up something you've for a long while been itching to do. Perhaps that is an extraordinary game like stone climbing, surfing or motocross. In any case, don't seek after an action for the sole explanation of dazzling ladies. Do it since you need to do it. Whatever your pastimes and interests are, it's incredibly appealing if ladies can detect your enthusiasm in the manner you talk about them and the measure of time you commit in seeking after them. What's up, Success Animation here. There is one forward question you should completely never inquire as to whether you need her to be your girlfriend or wife. Or then again anything past only an hookup who you never get notification from again. Do you recognize what the inquiry is? As a guy it will probably sound completely innocent to you. In any case, I can disclose to you that when women hear this inquiry it takes all of the wind out of their romantic sails. Regardless of about how they feel about a man before he asks it. What's more, on the off chance that you have ever had a woman pull away from you when you didn't need anything more on the planet than to have her draw you closer, it's most likely on the grounds that you posed this inquiry without knowing it. In fact, you probably thought asking this question was a good thing even though you couldn't be more wrong. Once more, do you recognize what the inquiry is? Let me give you a clue. The question is blank you blank me. Can you fill in the blanks? I have asked a lot of guys if they know what the question is, and only 3 guys out of every 100 get it right. Along these lines, do you comprehend what the inquiry is? If you are absolutely sure you are right, then we have nothing else to say to each other. But if you don't know the answer, or if you just want to confirm that you do, I need you to stop whatever you are doing and go watch the special video I have assembled for you at the link you see on your screen now. See, this video is by Joshua Pelliser, one of the biggest experts when it comes to seducing women. And in the special video you will watch when you click the link you see on your screen, he will show you what this toxic 4-word question is. He will teach you the shocking and strange truth about female psychology and why women pull away, and introduce you to a simple 3-word phrase that forces a woman to automatically open her heart, let down her shields and commit to love you, and even worshipping you while thinking it's 100% her idea. And all you have to do is click the link and go watch the video right now. Before the curiosity drives you mad, before you find yourself in bed tonight wondering what you missed. Because I can only help you if you decide to help yourself by clicking the link on your screen and watching this special video right now.